Today's day 2 of our People's Panel. We've set out and planned a couple of tangible activities where we talk to our customers and show them the equipment we have in our network so that our People's Panel members could really see how these things work and then how we translate that into addressing the future challenges and problems. It makes it a whole lot more real and makes them feel a part of the journey with us.
They asked us last time, what did we need? And we gave them feedback and they've actually responded to that feedback and come up with today's activities, which is impressive.
We went out to a substation. Yeah, I just found the infrastructure so interesting, complex.
And then we got to speak to some of the field technicians that Jemena have.
Talking to the guys that actually work on the ground, just getting a broader picture what their day-to-day operations look like, what kind of infrastructure is actually powering our grid, and connect the dots, I guess, between what is actually happening within Jemena and why they price things certain ways.
In your day-to-day life, you switch on the light, you don't think about where it's come from. But I think it does help understanding, oh, yeah, okay, it's come from Thomastown at a higher voltage to Broadmeadows, and then that voltage is dropped again to go around to the houses in that area.
I guess it gave us an insight into how complex and multifaceted their business is. They have a lot of variables to consider, and obviously safety is a huge priority for them. It's a great foundation and building blocks for us to input the customer viewpoint.
The knowledge that people have from their own experience is really valuable. To see things through other people's eyes and experiences is amazing.
We see how some things are neglected in the past, and it's so painfully trying to retrofit that in the future. So learning that I'm going to actually contribute to how Jemena's running things for the customers in the future as well is pretty cool.